but the decision, however, has sparked a massive chatter and debate. Will some of the e-gamers who have welcomed the move, a majority of the industry have called it as a big setback to key economic driver of the sporting industry. Remember, many online money games are also sponsors of popular sporting teams across the country. So they warned that this may not just affect the online money gaming sector, but also the sporting industry as a whole. In fact, many experts in the industry faces that have been warning that this bill will lead to major job losses and putting a 25,000 crore industry in peril.
I completely understand the perspective of the government as well. A lot of cricketers, a lot of Bollywood celebrities, they were all endorsing this as well. So all of them also will have loss of work from here. Of course, there could be arguments saying that they're anyways earning from other places, this and that. So it's not about that. It is for a lot of people who've spent probably 20 years building some companies in this segment. That could be a real loss as well. We've been giving out notifications that please withdraw or play. So it would be that. And my message to the users is that if you want to, I hope you enjoy it, but we will come up with something better that's more compliant to the government, and we will continue to entertain them.
So clearly, when it comes to the online gaming industry, a lot is at stake. The industry, which has been a major revenue-generating sector of the Indian economy in the last few years. However, when we speak of the sector itself and how much worth it is, nearly $3.7 billion, nearly $9.1 billion, which is now projected by the end of 2029. And when we speak of the revenue that has been generated, it amounts to nearly 86%. 2 lakh people who are set to be employed with this industry, and there are about 488 million online gamers who will now be affected. But when we speak of the tough government sources, now tell your channel that there will be no rethink on the online gaming bill 2025, and the IT ministry, however, is constantly in touch with key stakeholders of the industry over the compliance with the new bill. Sources suggest that the industry has sought time from the ministry for the transition to non-monetary sources. Let's go back to Kritika on this development. Kritika, good morning. Multiple, as far as when it comes to online gaming sectors that have been affected, but when the government is concerned, they have been saying that there is possibility of a no rethink or reconsidering as far as this bill is concerned.
Well, absolutely. In their latest statement, also the government has reiterated that there are very real consequences such as addiction, financial loss, even in many cases suicides as well, when as far as losing money as part of these games, these sort of platforms is concerned. There have been previous instances of websites of fantasy sports platform of this sort acting as a front for money laundering, for even terror financing as well. So all of this has been considered, and only after this, this new law has come into place as well. So definitely, as you were rightly pointing out, no form of a rethink is quite likely anytime in the future at least. This is why we're also seeing even big players like Dream 11, which in fact became the sponsor of the Indian cricket team as well, pivoting their direction. All paid money cash games as of yesterday has been stopped by the platform as well. And they're also harping on to a second inning is what the team had said in a post on its official platform. So definitely a lot of updates here, because this had become in fact a big industry even in India as well, which is when for example Dream 11 was also founded. That platform is now a unicorn, $1 billion valuation. So definitely a lot of rethink for these players.
So according to reports that are coming in, multiple of these platforms have started to suspend contests and paid games on their platforms after the Parliament has passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. Thank you very much, Kritika, for joining us on board. Let's in the meantime shift focus and talk about other stories this morning, where the raging war